think chat like I think Hennyblit Henny what Belit like that. Hennyblit dropped. I think it's a joint project, man. It's a joint project with who's the other bro? It's called Gen Z, man. Is it Gen Z, ne? It's called Gen Z. Is it Gen Z? Yeah, this is the tape I'm talking about. No, Leo Brenin. Such a beautiful voice. Such a beautiful voice, Leo Brenin. Such a beautiful voice. Leo Brenin. He has a beautiful voice, that bro. Hold on. Mag. Gen Z. Okay.
Sap doo boo, sap doo dab dab doo boo, sap doo dab dab doo boo, dab dab udalu golwa, the clash of bana ukupole, uzomani se no sa, ukotu kili kizi yo izole, wamkele kile, kaya. Wamkele kile, kaya. Wamkele kile, kaya. Wamkele kile, kaya. My man, I'm fit, nip up for feeling out of cause young time, shot a lot for it. I'm gonna try to crash on my car. Need a bomb, phone, bonus, body, phone, spare, Jewish. Body can't change, I ain't watch Scooby. True love for my friend, I ain't staying Scooby. Try to say the 50,000 times the Zuli. I don't know why you made the act the foolie.
These niggas are too young to be making music like this, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all are too young to be making such solid sounds, man. What the fuck? Come on now. What? What? Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. What? Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, chat! Oh my god, chat! What? Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious, bruh? Oh my goodness, bruh. Oh my days, bruh. Oh my god, what the fuck? Protect this bruise. Protect this bruise, chat. Chat, wherever you are. Hennyblit, no Leo Brenin. Protect this bruise. Protect this bruise. Fuck!
We always recommend Shopify. It took us from an idea to a real business. We got set up, I think, in less than a day.
I don't give a fuck. What? What? gonna be fair today. Chat, I'm gonna be fair today. I'm gonna lie. I'm gonna be fair today. This is so full. Fuck.
I'm tryna prove that you're my number one. We can feel our way now. Someday, I wanna go to Norway.
Yo. Brazam, yo. Ndininqelela konke okuhle. Ndininqelela baningaze nidibane ne-ex zam. Ndindinqelela nongaze nidibane ne-ex yam. Brazam. Wait. Yo. What the fuck am I listening to, bruh? Brazam, ndininqelela konke okuhle mabhuteri. Ndininqelela konke okuhle mabhuteri. Ingase nidibane ne-ex yam, ingaze like noba iyagqitha. Into embi andiyifuni idibane nani. Noba ugqitha kwistrato esikwela cala estratweni, nina nikwelinye icala, ingaze nidibane ne-ex yam. Ndinqelela yonke into entle, andifuni nento embi. Wow. How many songs is this shit? Wow. How many songs is this? Wow. How did you guys even think of combining? Wow. That's all I'm saying right now. Wow. Cause what the hell, bruh? And now YouTube Premium. I'm not rich, but thank you for this. Now my weekend is gonna be amazing. Shout out to these bros.
Oh, say, hey. Bayabaleka bona, bayasebenza bona, bomi basedolobheni. Ithi bayabepheka bona, kunyamezela bona, bantu basedolobheni. Six-sexeni bayaphupha, abantwana bayakuthupha. Six-sexeni Six-sexeni bayavuka, abantwana bayakuthupha. Six-sexeni
What the fuck was that? Zikhona izinto noba unetalente ne. Jongani. Zikhona izinto noba unayo italente yokwenza le nto ne. Zoba akho need yazo. Sanosikhala kakubi. Never boy Hennyblit. Cause what the fuck is this? Look, listen. After I turned ready, listen to this shit. Listen to that. Listen to what happens. I don't know, into I understand as the producers. Listen to that shit. Uniyenza lanto nechoma. Nisiphakamisile. Ni better. Ewe ni better. But nite ningonita. Indonle nenza pha. Cause what the fuck is that? What is that? What the fuck, man? Listen to this shit. Skaptina zako ziredi. Kasfage. Nanyama Zalimbangiri AI Soz galo AI Hamashita yo Koda when I'm done now Bahloniphe abantu noba sebengenato ukuzuzovulela intsikelelo zakho impilo yasedolobheni kweziphithi nicela undifihle onkosi bayabaleka bona bayasebenza bona bomi basedolobheni ithi bayabepheka bona kunyamezela bona bantu basedolobheni Six-sexeni bayavuka, abantwana bayakuthupha. Six-sexeni bayavuka, abantwana Wow, man. Wow. What an extraordinary talent. Is it 3 songs? Was it an EP of 3 songs? What the fuck is that? Hold on, let me check. Let me check. Gen Z by Leo Brenin. Leo Brenin. EP joined with EP. How many songs is this, chat? I think it's let me go to Instagram. The thing is, I don't have Spotify anymore. I don't have Spotify. I don't have Spotify. I don't have my Apple Music. I don't have money. That's my problem. I don't have money. Only 3 songs played. Why 3 songs though? Debut album. What are you talking about, bruh? What are you talking about? There's an extended version. What are you talking about? You're locked in. What are you talking about? There's an extended version. Clubby short version. What is going on? For immediate Gen Z extended project by Leo Brenin out 17 July. What do you mean extended version? What is he talking about? Upcoming journey being every type of Gen Z released. What are you talking about? What is bro talking about? Why extended? The big extended, the big 10. Hold on. Even can they allow me just to search it at least? What they need to at least allow me to search it. They don't have to play it, but allow me to see it. Okay. Leo Brenin. At least Gen Z EP 6 songs. So so what I listened. So I listened to Stofuza 6 a.m. So there's also Traveler. I'm missing a couple of songs, but now, this is enough. This is enough. I'm gonna go and listen to the rest on my own, cause I'm wale now here. Niyanibona uba ndiyonakala phambi kwenu. Ndiyonakala apha phambi kwenu chat. Ndiyonzakala. Nijongile. You know what I'm saying? I can't anymore. This bruiser. Nah, chat. Nah. These bruises are the ones. These bruises are the ones. Cause what the fuck are you talking about, chat? Please, chat. Can you see this shit? Go check this shit out. Go check this shit out. This is pure talent to the I don't know to the what. Cause come on, man. Come on, shout out to Leo Brenin one time. Shout out to Hennyblit. Cause what? Shout out. Appreciate you, my good man. Appreciate you.